Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine too. Thank you. Before we start our lesson today, it will better if we are pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Now, let me check the attendance first. Who is absent today? Okay guys. Anybody know what are we going to learn today? Okay, I will explain today. We will learn about ecosystem. So before we study the ecosystem, I will ask you a question. Do you know about ecosystem? Okay, Nabila, do you know about ecosystem? That's great. Give applause for Nabila. So, how many components of an ecosystem? Yes, there are two components of ecosystem. It is a abiotic component and biotic component. Okay, now I will explain material about ecosystem. I will share a presentation. Okay guys, ecosystem is a system in which there is an independent relationship or interaction between the component within it, both living and non-living things. This is example is ecosystem in reverse. Next constituent component of the ecosystem. One, biotic component. Biotic component are component in the ecosystem consisting of living things that exist in the environment, such as humans, animal, plant, and microorganisms. Based on its role, these living things are divided into three groups. namely is one producer or autotroph. Producer are living things that can produce their own food. This is an example for producer. Number 2 is consumer or heterotroph. Consumers are living things that cannot produce their own food and depend on other organisms for food. Animals are included as consumers. Have three consumers are heterotroph. Yeah, this one is carnivore. Carnivores are organisms whose food source is meat. This example is carnivore. And two consumers type herbivore. Herbivore are organisms whose food source is plant. This is example is cow. And three is omnivore. Omnivores are organisms whose food source can come from plant or meat. This is an example for omnivore. Number 3 is decomposers. Decomposers are organisms whose job is to decompose the remains of other living things that have died to be used as mineral or soil nutrient. This is example for decomposer. Have mushroom and earthworms. Next, constituent component of the ecosystem is abiotic component. Abiotic components are non-living components that exist in an ecosystem. The existence of abiotic component greatly determines what types of living things can live and survive in a particular ecosystem environment, which include abiotic component, namely is soil, water, sunlight, and temperature. Next, we will explain unit of living thing in an ecosystem. One is individual. Individual are single living beings. This example individual is a cow. And two, population. A population is a collection of individuals of the same type who interact in the certain place. This example, a group of goats in the pasture. And three, community. A community is a collection of various populations that live at a certain time in the same area. This is a community. And then producer, consumer 1, consumer 2, and consumer 3, and then decomposer. In the number 4, ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interaction between living things in an area and their environment which influence each other. This example for ecosystem, namely a lake ecosystem consists of organisms and all the objects in it. Next, a need of living things in an ecosystem. It is number 5, biome. Biome are ecosystems that are very large and have distinctive plant vegetation. This example of biome, tropical rainforest biome. Number 6, biosphere. The biosphere is the layer of the earth in which there is life. It is an example for biosphere. Have atom, molecule, cell, organisms, community, and ecosystem. Next, I will explain energy flow. Every living thing needs energy to carry out various life activity. Animal gaining energy by eating plant or other animal. As for plant get energy from sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. Like energy from the sun is transformed by plant become chemical energy through process photosynthesis. The energy move to other organisms through the food chain process. This is energy flow in Earth. And then food chain. The food chain is the process of energy transfer from one living thing to another through eating and eating event. This is an example for food chain. Number one is plant play a role as a manufacturer because it is capable of making own food through photosynthesis. As for grasshopper is consumer primer, fruit, snack, and insects are called consumer because it gets food from organisms other. Grasshopper act as consumer one, frog as consumer two, snack as consumer three, and insects as consumer four or consumer pig. If a living creature die, then it will be broken down into inorganic compound through the process of decomposition by organism decomposer. An example of a decomposer is bacteria and mushroom. Okay guys, I think I will explain to material. Next, we will discuss from worksheet. Okay, I will divide the class in 5 group ya. And number 2, next I will share student worksheet of material ecosystem. And then this is a student worksheet theme ecosystem. Before having a discussion, I will explain the rules. So each group work on student worksheet according to the specific material, and each group member must participate in working on student worksheet. Next, between student helping and cooperating with each other. Next, okay, we start our group discussion, guys. This is a student worksheet. And ini number 1 student worksheet. Write down the biotic component and abiotic component that exists in the school environment. Number 2 student worksheet. Write down the order of the river ecosystem, food chain along with information for producer, consumer, and decomposer. Okay, we start a group discussion. Discussion is time 15 minutes. If you have any question, please ask to me. Okay, guys. Your discussion time is less than 3 minutes. Okay, guys, teams up. After finish, each group presented the result of the discussion. The presented group is number 1 is group 2, number 2 is group 1. Okay. Okay, student, if you still confused about this ecosystem material, you can ask me a question. So, do you have any question? No? Okay. I think you are understand. Now, we can conclude the material we studied today. Okay, Shiva, you can conclude the material we studied today. That's great. Ecosystem is a inseparable reciprocal relationship between living things and their environment. And ecosystems are composed of two main components, namely a biotic component and biotic component. Biotic component include soil, water, air, sunlight, and temperature. Abiotic component include producer, consumer, and decomposer. Well, student, do you enjoy this lesson today? Okay, I think enough for today. Before we end this lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin, pray finish. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see you next week. Waduh, jam kok kepiye kesimpan ora? Ah, ngelek.